Hi everyone, this is Paul Cooper with Totes and Notes, and I'm bringing you another Note Nugget in a minute. And on this episode, we're going to talk about demographics. Demographics are statistical data regarding a certain group or population. Examples of demographics could be age, race, ethnicity, gender, marital status, income, education, and employment. So there are a lot of factors when it goes into demographics, and when you study demographics, it can help you make better investments or business choices because you can better target your potential investors or customers. So you're probably wondering, how would you use this information? Well, for us, we use this information to help us find people that would either buy or sell notes from us, or people that would potentially be interested in working with us on certain investments. And the way we do that is we find people of certain age groups. Usually these people are going to be 40 plus. They're generally going to make a certain income of at least $80,000 a year. Almost all of them are going to have at least some college education, if not a degree or advanced degree. Most of these people are married, even though we don't discriminate between people that are married, divorced, or never married. And most of these people are also going to have some type of professional job or job title. They're a lawyer, some type of C-level executive, doctor, or other well-paid professional. In coming episodes of the podcast, we're going to discuss demographics and how we can use them to decide certain areas of the country that we might want to invest in or avoid. If you could do us a big favor, please go to bit.ly/dumpedon. We're currently running a market survey. Since the markets have been so crazy this year, we'd really appreciate your input. What you do is you fill out your name and your contact information, because by filling out the survey, you will be entered for a chance to win a bidet attachment from HelloTushy.com. We know this year's been a really bad year for a lot of people. You've been dumped on, been crapped on, worse, and we'd like to help you get cleaned up at least one way or the other. And so by opting in to fill out the survey, you can also opt in to mobile-based text messages or not. That doesn't affect your chances to win or anything, but we do need your street address, your email, and the other information so we can contact if you win. And then we would like you to go ahead and fill this out as much as possible. Select everything that applies, things that you're currently invested in. There's even a spot to put in other investment types, the types of returns you're seeing, what you're receiving, different statuses for different types of assets. It's pretty straightforward. It will take you a few minutes, and that's why we really appreciate if you'd fill it out for us. Now, when you get down here towards the end where you see what are the returns these investments are projecting, these are the returns you're seeing projected for investments that you're possibly interested in. Just put in the one that seems to be the average for everything you're looking at. Like, let's say you're looking at basically keeping your money in cash, mostly in cash, and then some of it in pretty expensive or risky investments. Then you could just go ahead, as opposed to averaging out, put it into the actual investments, since cash, while conservative, isn't really too much of an investment. Same with bonds. But, go ahead and put in what you feel like there, or you could type it into the other type of returns here. The more information you give us, the better, and we'll hopefully be posting this in about 30 days or so, and we'd really appreciate you filling this out as much as possible and submitting it. And again, this is for a chance to win a bidet attachment from HelloTushy.com. Very funny company. They put out a pretty good product, and I thought it would be a good way for people to hopefully talk about and be honest about the ways they've been dumped on this year. There's going to be one winner per 1,000 households enter. That being said, if there are more than one person in your household that invests, please have them put in their information as well. It's just going to help us get much better data, and we'll be posting this data once we've concluded with the survey.